You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Japanese and names of famous places around the world, make sure to stay tuned. So this is going to be two different things: a city in India and also the name of a province and a city in Japan. Japanese pronunciation, Kochi, Kochi. Now the city in India is pronounced as Kochi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.